the insurance company may decline to pay for the third party and the law takes over, which might compel you to pay. Insurance can mark you red. Ushaisikia nimekumark? Yes, it can mark you, and going forward it may never give you an insurance policy.
Hi everyone, I hope this video finds you well. My name is Martin, in case you're here for the first time. Na sisi ni watu wa insurance. We do civic education as well as reviews on insurance, especially within the Kenyan market. Now in this video is going to be a short video and we are also reacting to a video that we saw online of a motorbike rider who was pulling stands. We call them stands. And there are those people who really want to fancy around driving or riding motorbikes. So alikuwa anaendesha kwa highway, alikuwa ameshika bike na amelala kwa bike. So what would happen if someone like that got an accident and they had taken up a cover that would let's say for example alikuwa amechukua a comprehensive cover na akona personal accident cover. What would happen if they want to make a claim? And that is exactly what we are going to talk about in this video. I want to remind you, we have an application where you can buy insurance covers without needing an insurance agent now, because we have been giving you information. And now you are you have a link in the description box. You can always click on that link, go there and buy a personal accident for yourself, buy a third party, buy a comprehensive, and soon we are going to onboard medical covers. Now you don't have to worry about looking for an agent to give you quotations, and probably you don't have a chance to compare from different companies. Now you have it all by yourself. You can click on the link below and do a quotation by yourself and pay and get the cover in 3 minutes. So let's get into the video. Yes, karibu sana Bwana Moi.
Thank you Martin. I'm always thankful for our viewers. You know, I love what I do. Yeah. So today we want to look at a scenario where guys or boda riders are flexing on the road, on the public roads, or holding maybe a competition of who has the dopest ride. So, and what are the possible consequences if an accident happens? Yeah. So the very first thing you must understand that insurance comes in when you have an insurance policy. Now we have 3 types of insurance. Number 1, we have a comprehensive cover. Comprehensive. We have also third party. Yeah, and there are other parties that are involved while you are driving, either boda or motor vehicle. So if assuming a scenario like that happens, you are flexing using your boda. Unfortunately, something happens. This is what you might do. Number 1, if an accident happens and you injure someone, 2 things can happen. Number 1, the insurance company may decline to pay for the third party and the law takes over, which might compel you to pay. Number 2 is that party, the insurance company may choose. Yes, it may choose to pay for the third party damages. And afterward, it will pursue you for reimbursement. So if it spends 1 million, and you know one thing is that you can't really compete with an insurance company. They have quite a huge financial muscle. That is why it is important to be careful. So if you had a comprehensive cover, because comprehensive cover also covers the third party damages, I've talked of what might happen to third party damages. Again, is on your own motorcycle. If you had a comprehensive cover, unfortunately they discover that you are driving recklessly, they will choose not to pay, especially if the investigator finds out or gets proof of a video that you are flexing. That is why it is very, very important. So that is one of the consequences. Number 2, is on the legal consequences. Yeah, remember, the person who has authority over what happens on our road is NTSA. NTSA could charge you, number one, and they could cancel your license, and you know what that means for going forward. So that's one. Number one is that the NTSA may come in and it can cancel your licenses. Number two is on the insurance. Insurance can mark you red. Ushaisikia nimekumark? Yes, it can mark you, and going forward it may never give you an insurance policy. You don't need much, because what majority of us don't understand is that the database for the individuals who have insurance companies are shared across the industry. So you go to Britam, you go to Madison, you go to APA, they have a common database. So if you are marked with one, you may never get an insurance policy with any other insurance company. Yeah, so that is
whether it's a medical cover, whether it's anything.
Yes, they have marked you. So that is another possible consequence of you flexing on the road. And again, it's apart from the legal consequences, is when you have a personal accident cover. Yeah, so this personal accident cover, remember what we said in our previous video, is that it covers all the body injuries that comes as a result of an accident. Could be on the road, could be at home, could be while farming. Yeah, so that particular cover also has a clause that states that you will not engage in a willful, reckless behavior. If they discover or they get an evidence that you are flexing using your boda or you are playing, you know that one might be taken as a willful negligence. So you are covered, all what you had sacrificed or all what you had paid for possibly 5 years goes down to the drain. So there's no point of you flexing, because sometimes something from opposite direction can come your way. Unfortunately, death can come, disability can come, you can damage other people's property, you can hit people who are not interested in what you are doing. So that is why it is important to engage in a very, how do I call it? You be careful, because there are also other parties that are involved on the road. And that is why we always tell you, even when you are buying either personal accident or boda cover or motor insurance from us, we also tell you that as you take it, also assume you don't have it. Yeah, because the simple reason of you having either personal accident or any insurance policy is not really to engage in activities that might cause harm to yourself or to others.